Oh my goodness. This is so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be preparing for you all
Germknödel, which are yeast dumplings.
It is a very popular dish in Germany. You can eat it as a dessert or a meal. When my husband and I went to Oktoberfest, I made sure that we had this meal. In fact, I vlogged about it.
So right now I'm just mixing the sauce.
I'll make sure I leave it down below in my description box if you guys want to check it out. So if you all would like to see how I prepare this dish, join me and let's cook. So now it's time to make our dumpling dough. So right now I have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to add the dry ingredients, salt, sugar, lemon and orange zest, mix, warm milk, melted butter, 1 beaten egg, vanilla extract, and yeast. So I used dry yeast, and to activate this yeast I added a 1/4 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I mix it together and I let it sit for about 15 minutes, and you want it to foam just like so. Together your sugar and your egg yolks, and then we're going to add our cornstarch, once all of the ingredients are combined, leave on medium-low heat for about 6 minutes until the liquid thickens. Alright guys, so you know my favorite part, time to taste. Oh wow, perfect. Hey guys, so it's time to now fill our
Germknödel.
Normally they're filled with a plum jam, but I wanted to make a apple jam. So here it is. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Bacardi rum. Yay! It doubled in size, so that's always a good thing. So before we handle the dough, make sure you flour your surface. So once complete, make sure you put it on some type of tray or a floured surface. And then guess what guys? We gotta cover it for 30 minutes. All right, now it's time to steam our dumplings. So I have in here 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, and a pinch of salt, and bring to a simmer. Alright guys, you know what time it is. It's time to taste. Just look at it. It looks so delicious. This brings back so many memories of when my husband and I went to Oktoberfest last year, and we ordered this, and like I said before, I'll make sure I leave it down in the description box. Alright guys, let's try it. So you guys see the apple filling in there? So when I eat it, always make sure I get the sauce and everything in there. This tastes just like the one I had in Germany. Oh my goodness. Except for the apple filling. In Germany, it's normally plum filling. I really, really hope you all do try this recipe. It is worth it. What would you guys like for me to prepare next? So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind comments. And until next time, bye. Oh wow, perfect, right on the money. I wish you guys could taste this right now. You can taste it if you make it. Think about it, guys.